In this tutorial, learn how to commit and push code directly within Visual Studio without the need for Git Bash. I am expecting you already have Git integrated with Visual Studio and you can find your current working branch here. I am currently in master branch. Now I am making certain changes in code and this changes will be reflected in Git Changes tab as shown here. Double-click on it to look at the changes. Before changes is shown on the left and after changes is on the right. Now under Git Changes, you can give relevant comment as text area as shown here. After that, click on Commit All button. Then you will find incoming and outgoing commit. Here 1 commit is outgoing and 0 is incoming. As there is no incoming, you can easily click on up arrow button to push the code to remote. If you have some incoming, then you have merge the code and then push it. You can see Git push progress is shown here. You can now click on View All Commit to look at the status of commit. This code is already pushed to Git and you can easily see this here. You can click on it to look what are the changes and what changes are pushed. In this way we used Visual Studio to push the code to remote without using Git Bash and Git command. This much for today. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Also click on bell icon to never miss any update.